Here's how to file Schedule FA for your Morgan Stanley StockPlan in about 2 minutes. First, export 2 reports from StockPlan Connect, then upload them to ITR-FA.in. Part 1. Exporting your data from StockPlan Connect. Unlike other brokers, there's no holdings or gains file here, just 2 flat reports. Log in to StockPlanConnect.com, go to Activity, then Reports. You only need 2 of them, the Releases Report and the Withdrawals Report. The Releases Report lists every vest. Price is the vest day fair market value, your correct India cost basis. Net share proceeds is what you actually kept after sell to cover. The gross quantity column overstates what you hold. If you sold shares, also export the Withdrawals Report. Rows marked plan, cash, are just the settlement sweep. The app skips those automatically so proceeds aren't double counted. Part 2. Turning those 2 reports into Schedule FA. Open ITR-FA.in and select Morgan Stanley StockPlan Connect as your broker. If you actually log in at etrade.com, that's Morgan Stanley at work, use the eTrade option instead. Drop the Releases Report into the Open Lots slot and the Withdrawals Report into the Transaction History slot. Pick your financial year and accept the data consent. StockPlan Connect exports don't include a ticker symbol, so you'll type it once on the review page. Company name and address autofill immediately from the ticker. SBI TTBR exchange rates are auto-fetched per Rule 115 for every vest and sale date, no manual lookups. Instantly you get a preview, Table A2 and Table A3, with Morgan Stanley Smith Barney LLC correctly listed as the institution. Unlock to reveal every value in rupees. Notice the sold lot is FIFO-matched automatically against your vest lots and reported with a 0 closing value, exactly how Schedule FA expects it. Try it at ITR-FA.in. Now supporting Morgan Stanley StockPlan Connect, alongside Fidelity, Schwab, and eTrade. Always verify the final values with your chartered accountant.